The Supreme Court employees have approached this court by filing the instant writ petitions and the civil miscellaneous petitions for upward revision of their pay scales as were allowed in the case of the employees working in the Delhi High Court. According to the petitioners, the duties and the job assignments in respect of the staff of the Supreme Court being more onerous and arduous compared to the work done by the staff of the Delhi High Court, the petitioners claimed that they are entitled to equal pay for equal work and therefore they are approaching this court for redressal of their grievances by means of the present writ petitions. By way of an interim arrangement pending final disposal of the writ petition, we direct that the officers and staff of the Supreme Court Registry may be paid oblique same pay scales and allowances which are at present being enjoyed by the officers and the members of the staff of the Delhi High Court belonging to the same category with effect from the date from which such scales of pay have been allowed to the officers and the members of the staff of the High Court of Delhi if and in so far as they are higher or better than what the officers are and the members of the registry of the Supreme Court are getting as proposed by respondent number 2. The statement showing the posts in the registry of the Supreme Court and the corresponding posts in the Delhi High Court, which is annexed to the proposal made by the respondent number 2, will be annexed to this order also. Learned Additional Solicitor General submits that the petition for interim directions may be adjourned for a period of 4 weeks since the government is actively considering the matter and to his information, the government is inclined to agree with the proposals made by the second respondent. We do not think it is necessary to postpone the interim directions. It appears from the interim order extracted above that this court directed that the officers and the members of the staff of the registry might get the same pay and allowances which were then being enjoyed by the officers and the members of the staff of the Delhi High Court belonging to the same category with effect from the date from which such scales of pay had been allowed to the officers and the members of the staff of the Delhi High Court. This court also, by the same interim order, directed the respondent numbers 1 and 2 to take steps to refer the question of revision of pay scales to the 4th Pay Commission as suggested by the 5-judge committee. The Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Finance, by her letter dated November 23, 1987, addressed to the Registrar General, communicated to him the sanction of the President of India to the revised pay scale in respect of posts as shown in column 4 of the annexure to the said letter.